So we're here now at Autocraze, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to 4x4 Jumpman, and I have my XLS Ford Ranger and it's just come from Autocraze and it's finally here. We've done the big build. Let's go and check it out. Here it is, guys. She's looking so damn hot right now. That's my Ford Ranger, guys. All customized by Autocraze. So I waited about 3 days till I got it back. I couldn't wait for 3 days, but finally got it back and it's here now. So the car's got a Mustang headlights. Check it out. Got a running lights right there. That's for the daytime. And then it's got the hammer bull bar, which is right there. It's got the BUSHRANGER winch in there. It's also got the hammer BASHPLATE underneath. And I really like the wheels. The wheels is Australian made and it's called a King Zombie by King Wheels Australia. Check it out, guys. Bang. And then the tires are Goodrich, BFGOODRICH KO2s, all terrains. It's got the Raptor grill right there. Alright, let's check out the Autocraze bonnet scoop. That's made out of fiberglass and it's black gloss plus matte black in the middle. Then right here we've got the fender flares. Yep, I've got the bolt-on style fender flares. So underneath we've got the Tough Dog suspension. That's adjustable 9-stage. Then we've got the springs. So we've got the 2-inch lift right there. Looking awesome, guys. And it's also got the fog lights right underneath there. And I've also put some recovery points right there to go with the winch. So the winch goes under here, and that's a BUSHRANGER one. So I just show you the lift from the back and the rear. That's what it's got right there. Hey guys, if you like this video, please follow me on 4x4 Jumpman, subscribe and like the channel and see more of my build. I'm gonna put a bit more mods in here that's not finished. So comment below if you like Ford Rangers and if you like customizing Ford Rangers. I just want to say thanks to Autocraze and Mo and the boys for doing an awesome job on my car. Looks so good, she looks so hot. And if you want a great deal, go and check Autocraze out. They're one of the best in the business. Peace out.